What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these super cute, easy, trending 2 pigtail braids. They're super cute. I never thought to give them a try until I was contacted by a company called Trendy Tresses. So yeah, I use crochet hair instead of bundles, and like I said, it's from a company called Trendy Tresses. And this hair is actually this hair is the island curl. So they have different types of curls, and this one is island curl. And I got it in the color Auburn Brown, and it's a 1B33 ombre, and it's 18 inches. So this is the hair that I'm using to get this style. And I know most of the time when you see people doing them, they use braiding hair. So they do feed-in braids, but I just use my natural hair and then crochet this beautiful hair on the bottom. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so here I am just showing you guys that I already did the first side of my hair off camera. And so the first step is going to be to moisturize your hair. You can use whatever you want. I used this kinky curly knot today, as well as some jojoba oil. Like I said, you can use whatever products you prefer. So I just went ahead and put those 2 onto my hair so that it's nice and moisturized while it's in this protective style. So now I'm using this Shine and Jam to sleek down my hair. This is the extra hold one. So first what I'm going to do is apply it to the inner part of my braid and just smooth it in, and then also on the sides. So when I did it on the side, you want to make sure you apply the product and brush the hair in the way that it's going to lay, and that'll allow your braid to be much flatter. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start to braid as normal. I'm not adding any hair. As I mentioned earlier, I'm just braiding my natural hair because this is the quickest and the easiest way. So after I'm done braiding the French braid, I'm going to take some leave-in conditioner or moisturizer and just moisturize my ends and braid all the way down and apply a rubber band, and I do the end in a little loop. So this is the packaging that the hair came in. Super cute packaging, and it came wrapped up in this tissue paper, and I got 4 bundles. So here I'm showing you 2 bundles. It's a super pretty color. Link in the description to this exact hair. So for each braid I used about 1 bundle. I think they came with like 10 pieces, and what I did is I split them in half and began to crochet. So it's really simple, just basic crochet. I only did 1 loop. So all you want to do is go ahead and crochet the hair through your braid. Now I did some through the front and some through the back just so that it would be equal all the way around the braid. So you're just literally going to continue crocheting all the way up your braid, and that's basically it. So after that, what I did is I took a piece of the hair and I split it in half, and now I'm pulling the ends to make them uneven, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around the base of the braid to hide the top crochet knots. And I started with the brown end, so that when I'm done wrapping, I'll be wrapping with the black end, because I wanted the, I don't know, what do you call this? I wanted this part to be black and not brown. So that's why I cut it in half, and I use the other half on the other braid. So you're just going to wrap and wrap and wrap. And once it gets to the end, it's super skinny, so you can just kind of tuck it in, and that is the finished look, you guys. Super easy and quick. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and it's a quick and easy, cheap alternative to using bundles, girl, and you get the same look. guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that bell symbol so that you can get notified when I upload. Don't forget to share with a friend so you guys can do each other's hair, girl. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.